Hello guys, hope you are doing well. And as promised, LearnApp is here with its Tuesday Wala video. The only aim of this video is to have a connect with you and answer your various questions and your queries that you ask us in the comment section below. So let's get started with our first comment. And just to keep it informal, we are today in our office. So if there are some kind of disturbances you hear, please pardon us. Okay guys, so let's start with our very first question. But before moving on guys, please don't consider any of our answer as any tips or recommendation because we don't do that. We solely exist for the education purpose. So the first question is by Mr. Mahesh. He asks us, when markets are correcting, in which stock we should invest in, large, mid and small? Okay, so guys, this is one of the most obvious question that we get asked for, but the trick is you always need to stick with fundamentally sound stock. Be it small cap, be it large cap, be it mid cap, you always need to stick with the fundamentally sound stock. Now, it doesn't mean that when the market will fall, these stocks will not fall. However, when the markets turn around, these stocks have the highest potential to recover from that fall. Also guys, have a proper strategy in place. Strategy means have a defined stop loss, have a defined target and invest with proper risk management. Diversify your portfolio because it will lead to diversification of your risk. So let's move on to our second question. So Mr. Sai asks, hi, what do you say about Indian banking sector? Is it underperforming or outperforming? Hey Sai, first of all, it's a very interesting question. And to answer this question, we were going through a very interesting article which shows the correlation between the Nifty and the Nifty Bank. Now, interestingly, when the Nifty posted positive results, Nifty Bank always outperformed Nifty. And there was a very strong positive correlation between both the indexes. However, if we look at this particular year, the data shows that Nifty Bank is surely underperforming the Nifty 50 index. Now, whether it will outperform or underperform in the future, that we can't tell, but thanks for asking the question. Okay, so moving on to our next question. Mr. Hariom asks us, sir, please explain technical candlestick. Okay, so Hariom, there are various different types of charts. The easiest way of chart to plot is the line chart. However, one disadvantage of the line chart is that it only plots the close price of the various stock prices. So the disadvantage is that you cannot predict the open, high, low, close of that particular stock. Basically, you cannot identify the range for that particular day. And that's why the solution or an alternate to line chart is the candlestick chart, which helps you to plot the open, high, low and close data for that particular day. Of course, to learn more on that, you can visit our technical analysis course exclusively on learnapp.com. Okay, so the next question we have is from Shubham, Akshat, Akshay and Sagar. They asked the similar question that how to invest in REITs. Okay, so as discussed in our real estate video, there are at presently 3 listed REITs in India. The Brookfield REITs, the Mindspace REITs and the Embassy REITs. So just similar to stocks, you search, like you go to your broker terminal, you type that particular name of REITs and you buy it like a stock. Alright, so moving on to our very next question. Mr. Rankan asks us, as a long-term investor, should we take any steps in current market all-time high scenario, like exit the positions for now and enter again after market correction? Well, Mr. Ankan, as we mentioned earlier, there is no particular time to time the market. Most of the finance professionals are totally against this concept of timing the market. As we mentioned earlier, the best strategy is to stick with fundamentally sound stock and diversify your portfolio. Alright, so moving on to our next question. Mr. Keshav Agarwal asks us, make content for trader, cover freak trade and more content like this. Now definitely Keshav, trading related concept is definitely in our pipeline and hopefully within 2 to 3 weeks, you will be able to see trading related YouTube videos. So stay tuned. Moving on to our very next question. Durga Sharma, also Nilesh asks us, what finance content will I get if I subscribe LearnApp and is there a 3-month plan available? Now, of course, guys, we know you don't like promotion in videos, but as you asked for, we'll just explain you in brief what actually LearnApp is. So LearnApp is India's one of the largest financial education platform that is focused on investing as well as trading. So we have courses all the way from the basic level all the way to advanced level. And apart from these courses, we also have actual back-tested strategies that you can actually apply on the live markets. For more queries, you can visit learnup.com exclusively using the link in the description below, using which you will get 2 months extra subscription. So what are you waiting for, guys? I mean, just click on the link below. So guys, this was all about today's session. Hope you like our experimental video. Of course, due to time constraints, we were not able to take on all the questions and queries. But if you really like this video, from next time onwards, we'll try to take on more such questions. So please like, share and subscribe this channel and post your comments in the comment section below. Do visit learnup.com. See you in the next video.